Hey everybody, I just want to make this official that I am done with the PSP and the PSP scene. Since school started, I haven't even been able to do anything with my PSP. This weekend, I turned it on for the first time in 3 months. And yeah, it's really boring. I went on FTB3, went on FTB2. It was all boring. Everyone hacks and cheats, so I'm pretty much done with that. So here's my final PSP. Here it is. Like, this is the way it's gonna remain forever because I'm not changing it anymore. If you're wondering, oh, the song's changing, but I was listening to You're the Man by Nas. Let's see. Alright, so here's my PSP. Apple Core theme. I'm going to try to keep this video pretty short. 5.0 MDDR6. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My games that I actually ever played: SOCOM, Rock Band, and FTB3. That's all I have on there. That's all I ever really played. And now I'm pretty much done with it. I have like the PRXs to like log into the PSN store and whatnot. I have all that stuff. I have the slim colors. As you see, I don't have a PS. This is a PSP 1000, and I'm using it. See, it's fat. And I have the slim colors mod on. So anyway, I'll just dive in real quick. See, with custom firmware, I'm logging on the PSN store. You know what it is. It's all normal stuff. Anybody who really has a modded PSP can do any of this. It's really easy. Well, that's about it. So basically, I'm shutting this off, and that's gonna be the end of it. That's it. Alright, anyway, if you wondered what I'm recording this with, it's pretty crappy, but, you know, I'm recording it with this BlackBerry Storm 2. I mean, it's an amazing phone. It's just the camera's not very good. I mean, it's alright. It's decent, but it's not very good. That's about it. Anyway, really randomly, if you have, like, I have 2 iPod touches, but they're broken, as you see. You can't even see what it's all messed up. That one's kind of, the screen's broken, and this one, yeah, you can kind of see. Dents and broken screen and all that good stuff. But these headphones are extremely good. They're Sony Bumpin' Buds, and they have extreme bass, and these are really nice. Picked these up from Best Buy for about 20 bucks, and these are really nice. I don't know if you can see that. It says Sony. These are really good headphones, but they break easily because I've had to get these replaced twice, and now this right earbud's broken again, so I don't know, but they're really good. Let me shut this off. This is my computer. LED lights on the side, and then the back, if I can get it. Yeah, this is my computer. Windows 7 Ultimate. And for sound, I'm rocking, hold on, let me turn the light back on. I'm rocking the, you can't really see that. Maybe you can see it on this side. Well, it's just basically 2 speakers. Looks like this. 2 speakers on the side look like that. And then underneath is a massive sub, which is back here, and you can't really see it, but that's a massive sub, and it sounds really good. There's no point in me showing you how good it sounds because you're not going to hear it. Basically, bass is really, really big in this room. And that's about it. So I'm done with like technology and whatnot. I mean, I'm done with modding things. I'm pretty much just done. So that's it. Peace out. I miss the PSP scene, and I wish that the PSP scene was still good. But I mean, nothing good happens in the PSP scene anymore. No one plays the games online. All my friends quit. But one thing that's pretty interesting, I have a PSP 3000 too, and look what is out, or about to be out. Total Noob has released, well, not released yet, but CFW 620 Hen with PRX support. PSPHacks.com. So that's pretty interesting. Hopefully that comes out, and my 3000's at 6.31, so I don't know, but apparently the exploit's in 3.1 still, so hopefully they port it over. I may come back. If that's true, I might get the CFW 620 for the 3000 to come back, and that might just be for casual gaming, but other than that, I'm pretty much done. This is Demonic Rage from SOCOM FTB 2 and 3, signing out. It's kind of sad too, because my PSPs are in perfect condition. There's nothing wrong with them. I've had them since they came out. Whatever. Alright. Hopefully Total, or whatever his name is, you can't see it, but it says that his name is Total Noob. Hopefully that dude doesn't keep this to himself and actually releases it, because I hate when people do that. The PSP seems dead as it is. They might as well release something, you know? Alright, peace.